Ayan, so nakasupine si patient natin and then the shoulder is abducted 90 degrees. Ayan, naka-abduct siya 90 degrees and then externally rotate the shoulder with elbow flex 90 degrees. Okay, then the forearm is naka-supinate. So ang gagawin natin dito, stabilize the shoulder of your patient and then ask the patient na i-flex niya yung elbow against resistance. Kumbaga parang dadalhin niya yung kamay niya papunta sa may shoulder. Okay? So, and then ang gagawin natin is stabilize the shoulder of your patient. Sige sir, gamit po yung kaliwang kamay niyo po, abutin niyo po itong kaliwang balikat. Okay? Then labanan niyo po yung pwersa na ibibigay. So, ganyan. Okay, so maglalagay ka ng resistance. So magiging positive siya sa test if yan, kapag yung pain increases during resistant elbow flexion or if your patient reports of deep shoulder pain. Mali lang guys. So ulitin natin, shoulder abducted 90 degrees, elbow flex 90 degrees, and the externally rotated and the forearm is supinated. And then, stabilize the shoulder of your patient. Instruct your patient na i-flex na yung elbow para aabutin niya yung balikat and against resistance. Sige sir. Yan. Positive kapag ka nag-convince patient na pain. Okay? So ibig